Morning students, welcome again to your own channel Learn with Fun Planet. Students, today we are going to learn one more program. Write a program to print first 10 multiples of any number entered by the user. Any number that will be entered by the user, we will find the first 10 multiples of that program. I hope you all are eager to learn this program. So students, let's begin now. So students, A is equal to int, input, type any number to find its first 10 multiples. So we are asking the user to input any number, and when the user will input that number, we will find and we will tell the first 10 multiples of that particular number. So initially we have defined I is equal to 1 while I is less than and equal to 10. So this is the condition. It will work till the value of I is less than or equal to 10. The next is print. Now this is the important part. Print a comma inverted comma x means whatever will be there inside the inverted comma will print as it is. I is equal to a into I and bracket close. The next is I is equal to I plus 1. This is the step, or this is the increment. So this is the loop which will work. This will be the loop which will work till the value of I is less than and equal to 10. So students, let's run this program. Run. So type any number. Okay, 12. So these are the first 10 multiples of 12. 12 ones are, so the value of A is 12, I is 1, 12 ones are 12, increment of I plus 1, that is 2, 12 twos are 24, again I, 12 threes are 36, 4s are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, till the value of I is 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 is not less than 10 but equal to 10. 12 into 10, that is 120. I hope you are able to understand this program. Let's run it once again. Run. So let's enter one other value. Say simple 7. So it shows the values of 7. Is it clear, students? I hope you are able to understand it. Now, some students ask me, sir, what to do if we want to find out the table of 2.5 or 1.5. So, beta, for that, instead of int, type float. Instead of int, type float. Let's see, run. Okay. Now, enter the number 1, okay, 2.5. 2.5. Let's see this, whether it is working or not. Enter. 2.5 multiplied by 1, 2.5. 2.5 multiplied by 2, 5, and so on. So, if we want the multiple of a fractional number, we have to write float, and for an integer, we have to write over here integer. Students, I hope you are able to understand this program. Students, please keep watching your own channel, Learn with Fun Planet. Keep yourself safe, stay at home. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
I don't care unless you got you, so baby I love you.